Reigning Manning Cup champions Kingston College will represent Jamaica at the KFC International Secondary Schools Football Tournament in Guyana.
The tournament, which is scheduled for December 18 to 21, will be the largest edition to date, with youth teams from Brazil and the Bahamas joining the lineup. Head coach of Kingston College, Vassar Reynolds, says the decision to participate was an easy one.
We have heard about this competition from representatives from Jamaica, Kingston College to be exact, and we spoke about kind of experience, and we thought that it would be good for our youngsters to kind of expose overseas. For the youngsters, and we figure more or less that it would be a good opportunity for them to continue their growth and development. This would have been the first one. It's something that we would have discussed at management level, as much as is possible. Once an opportunity comes to expose the players overseas, because it's a big difference to play overseas, and it's a lot of experience and exposure, especially for our younger players. So it's something that we have discussed, and here comes an opportunity, and hopefully, we can make good use of it.
Tournament co-director Troy Mendoka of the Petra organization says this year's event will also highlight the growth of youth football in Guyana.
This year we have an 8-team tournament, and we're going to bring Kingston College from Jamaica, St. Benedict's from Trinidad, the champion team from Suriname, which their competition is not finished as yet. We're bringing a combined team from the Bahamas, and we're now bringing a team from Brazil, right next to the border there, and 3 teams from Guyana, which is the defending champions Chase Academy.
Mendoka adds that making the competition under 18 provides added value for teams like Kingston College.
One of the things that we must note is that our competition is an under 18 competition, as compared to what they do, which is under 20. So some of the players in the under 20 team get to play, while the budding players now, it's a nice opportunity for them to start, bringing them into the under 20 team.
Reynolds agrees.
Most definitely, as a matter of fact, most of our players, the average age is 16 and 17 plus anyway. We have younger players that has the capacity to do at the under 18 level. So I think right across the board, we'll try to expose them as much as is possible.
Kingston College won the 2023 edition of the tournament. This year, 8 schools will compete in a round-robin and knockout format across 2 venues in Georgetown, the Ministry of Education ground and the Queen's College ground. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.